gives me an idea. Sometimes the best ideas come from the most unlikely places. Join me now for a fascinating journey between laundry flung down the stairs and a cave in Middle-earth. Sometimes my entire life seems to be, well, just one of those things. One moment I'm strolling through the house searching for a garden rake, and the next thing I know I'm staring at a sheet my wife just lobbed down the stairs, and my creative synapses are firing. Thence I run off to get my camera stuff, shouting, "Leave that sheet where it is!" Many of my best photographic adventures start with this sort of inane daily distraction, and it's one reason why I've had trouble holding down a job. This was really a very simple shot, and as you saw a few moments ago, the resulting folded blue abstract image was pleasing enough, in an Instagram sort of way, but certainly not something worthy of a YouTube video. Yet as I stared at my monitors, so pleased with myself, I began to hear the distant, faint, plaintive cries of a forlorn, nearly hairless creature. And this is where things started to get weird. Like a weak bladder, I actually have very little control over this sort of inspiration, for lack of a better term, and it happens often enough that I likely need some professional help and perhaps some meds. Anyway, off to the magic world of Photoshop we went. Just me, my mouse, and my pale little friend from a faraway world. And for the next pleasant hour or so, I schlepped mindlessly through an oozing swamp of tool presets and blending modes, layer masks and brush settings and filters, and the all and sundry tricks of Photoshop wizardry. Initially, I had no idea where I would end up, which is my favorite travel itinerary, by the way. But little by little, things became more clear, and finally, among the folds of my newly pixelated world, a blinding hobbit torch shone into the wretched darkness of my laundry cave, and the pitiful, desperate cries of the colorless creature became clear. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. The whole idea of this video is to make just one point, and that is that great photographic ideas are everywhere. In fact, I'm going to go down in the cellar and see if I can get some more inspiration.